Today we are going to learn about advanced annotation techniques in Matplotlib, focusing on enhancing data storytelling and improving the interpretability of visualizations through effective annotations. Welcome to our video on advanced annotation techniques in Matplotlib. In the next 15 minutes, we will explore how to significantly enhance your data visualizations by using various annotation techniques. Annotations are key in turning a simple chart into an insightful visual story. They help highlight trends, pinpoint crucial data points, and make your data more understandable and compelling. Today, we'll delve into using basic text effectively, positioning annotations with precision, employing arrows and connectors, and much more. By the end, you'll be equipped with skills to make your visualizations not just more informative but also more engaging. Our first focus is on using basic text annotations effectively. Text annotations can transform a visualization by providing context and clarity, allowing your audience to grasp the significance of your data quickly. The key to effective text annotations is clarity. Text needs to be clear, concise, and strategically placed so it enhances rather than overwhelms the visual. In Matplotlib, the plt.text function is your primary tool. This function allows you to position text precisely on your plot by specifying the x and y coordinates. However, it's crucial to avoid clutter. Too much text can make a plot confusing rather than illuminating. Instead, focus on key data points or trends, and use concise language that conveys essential information without overwhelming the viewer. By balancing text and visuals, you can maintain an engaging and informative visualization.
Next, let's explore how to position annotations with precision. Positioning is critical. An annotation placed at the wrong spot can confuse rather than clarify. Matplotlib offers several ways to ensure your annotations are perfectly aligned with your data. The plt.annotate function is a versatile tool for this purpose. It allows you to specify the exact location for your annotations using different coordinate systems, such as data coordinates or axes coordinates. This flexibility is vital for aligning annotations with specific data points or trends. Moreover, you can adjust the alignment and offset of your text to improve readability. For instance, you might need to shift an annotation slightly to avoid overlapping with other elements or to ensure it's clearly visible. By mastering these positioning techniques, you can significantly enhance the interpretability of your visualizations.
Annotations can be more than just text. Arrows and connectors can add dynamic element to your visualizations. These tools help guide the viewer's eye and emphasize relationships between data points. In Matplotlib, arrows can be created using the plt.annotate function, which allows you to customize arrow styles, including width, head width, and color. Connectors, on the other hand, can link annotations to specific data points, providing visual clarity and emphasis. They are particularly useful when highlighting trends or drawing attention to specific points of interest. By integrating arrows and connectors, you can create visual stories that are not only informative but also engaging and easy to follow.
Dynamic annotations adjust automatically as your data changes, making them ideal for real-time data visualization. This adaptability ensures that your annotations remain relevant and informative, even as new data comes in. In Matplotlib, you can achieve dynamic annotations by linking them to data properties that change over time. For instance, you might use a function to update annotation positions or text based on new data points. This approach enhances user engagement, especially in interactive plots where viewers can explore data trends themselves. Dynamic annotations ensure that your visualizations are not static but evolve as the data does, providing a richer and more accurate representation of the data story.
Customization is key to making your annotations stand out and complement your data visualization. Matplotlib offers extensive options for personalizing annotation styles and fonts. Choosing the right font and size is crucial for readability, especially when dealing with complex data visualizations. You can also customize colors to match your chart's theme or highlight specific data points. Additionally, you can apply styles such as bold or italic to add emphasis or differentiate annotations. By enhancing the aesthetics of your annotations, you not only improve readability but also make your charts more visually appealing and engaging. Annotations are powerful tools for highlighting specific data points and drawing attention to key insights. By identifying and annotating these points, you make the most important aspects of your data stand out. In Matplotlib, you can use annotations to emphasize peaks, troughs, or trends that are significant to your analysis. By combining annotations with other visual cues, such as color or size variations, you create a more compelling and understandable data story. This approach is particularly effective in presentations or reports where you need to quickly convey the essence of your data.
Integrating annotations with legends and labels can create a cohesive and comprehensive visualization. Annotations can complement legends by providing additional context or explanations for the data categories represented. In Matplotlib, you can enhance labels with annotations to ensure that each element of your chart is clear and informative. This integration improves the overall communication of your data story, especially in complex visualizations where legends and labels alone might not suffice. By using annotations to explain or expand on legends, you can provide a more detailed understanding of your data, making it more accessible and impactful to your audience.
Let's look at practical examples of how annotations are used in real-world charts across different industries. Whether in finance, healthcare, or marketing, effective annotations can transform complex data into clear insights. For instance, in financial charts, annotations can highlight critical market trends or economic indicators. In healthcare, they might pinpoint significant changes in patient data or outcomes. By examining these examples, you can see how the techniques we've discussed are applied effectively. This practical understanding will help you incorporate annotations into your projects, enhancing your ability to communicate data insights clearly and compellingly. In conclusion, we've explored various advanced annotation techniques in Matplotlib and how they can enhance your data storytelling. From using basic text effectively to integrating annotations with legends and labels, these techniques are essential for creating clear and impactful visualizations. Effective annotations not only improve the interpretability of your charts but also engage your audience by highlighting key insights and trends. I encourage you to practice these techniques and experiment with different styles and approaches. As you continue to explore and refine your skills, you'll find that annotations are powerful tools in your data visualization toolkit, capable of transforming complex data into compelling stories.